A lot of guys don't like DeanCole. I don't like DeanCole. You know, I ain't trying to be in a relationship with him, but the man has got some valuable information. Like, I don't like DeanCole like that, but the man know what he's talking about. I don't care. You know, like, I don't follow DeanCole like that, but when it comes to business credit, the man knows what he's talking about. So I don't know what to tell you, because I'm bumping the guys. I offer DeanCole to them, and like, they knocking them. Like, oh, I don't like DeanCole because he this and that. Who cares? The man got me a trailer with no money down. Who cares? Who cares? Okay? You know, I've been able to apply for $150,000 in business lines of credit, man. Like, it's like, man, but you gonna knock DeanCole, right? You know what I mean? Like, I'm not trying to advertise for DeanCole, but the truth is the truth. The truth is the truth. That's what it is. So I went through his, I'm in his program. I'm seeing success from it.
Hello there. My name is Dr. Howard Fisher. I'm a medical doctor and MD. I own Family First Medical Center here in Marietta, Georgia. I was referred to DeanCole Financial by one of my buddies that I play golf with. He used them to lease some dental equipment. He told me that it was much faster and less of a hassle than going through our local bank. And he was absolutely correct, I'll tell you that. DeanCole Financial approved me for a working capital loan as well as an equipment lease that we were looking at. And I would certainly highly recommend applying with DeanCole Financial.
Alright, a lot of you people in this group may not know who I am, but I am Trucker Brown. I'm a YouTube person with a considerable following, and I got into business with Dean. I have a Facebook group called YTTA with a combined following of about 9,000 people, truckers. Dean came in, offered his services, and the light was shined on him because he had a good work ethic and he was genuine. There were some completely false allegations brought up against my man Dean, which were completely tacky, false, and it was just retarded. I'm here to say that I deal with Dean personally. All the people who came here from my group, if you believe anything, believe that my money is sunken with Dean's well. A lot of the information that Dean is giving out is not common knowledge. Therefore, I believe that it is not wrong for him to charge for his knowledge that a common person would not have. He has 100% of my respect and 100% of my support. The things that happened with the bullshit allegations, which I'm sure he touched on, is just that. It's bullshit allegations. And I wouldn't put my reputation on a line for someone I didn't believe in, because some of the things he told me to do works, and I stand by them. Now, you may not know who I am, but a lot of people do. And I'm a person that speaks from the hip. Understanding DUNS numbers, understanding business credit, understanding how the underwriting works, that is priceless information that, one, in the black community, we do not have. We do not have this information. And you have a beacon of light and hope, a perfect example of a great black man who is giving this information out for pennies on the dollar. Now, this is the thing that confuses me about this, is that someone will say, well, why is he charging for it? Well, why do you buy Jordans? We would rather buy Jordans, jewelry, than pay and invest in our future. Every millionaire tells you you have to invest in yourself. And a $50 investment on you getting some inside information on how to build business credit, which is what you need on a bigger playing field if you're trying to expand and grow, is worth way more than $50 a month. And if you don't know that, you're just, this is on Dean's page, so I'm picking my words correctly, people, give me a second. You're just uninformed. You're uninformed. I've met business owners who've been business owners for 25 years. No business credit. None. Well, what is your DUNS number? What's that? And they say, and if you listen to these older people, they'll say things like, if I knew what I know now. Understanding business credit, understanding business loans are not common knowledge. I don't care what you say. They're not. And someone giving that out to you for $50, which is less than your cell phone bill, less than your coffee bill, less than your gas to get back and forth, I call that a awesome bargain. And he has 100% of my support. This is Trucker Brown. I'm a YouTuber. I don't mean nothing to the people in here that aren't truckers. You know. But to truckers, I'm an awesome guy. I'm not gonna go there, but it is what it is. I'm an awesome guy. And I brought him to my platform because I thought when Dean talked to me and he was telling me this stuff, I was like, what? The things like having a Gmail will instantly make you fail in getting a loan. People don't know that. I'm sitting on the other side of the phone with a Gmail account and trying to put in loans. That is not normal information. And if people would stop counting people's perceive what they're making, or just so quick, it's the sensationalism that we live in with all these reality shows that everything is a scandal, everything is, oh, it could be this, it can be that. Get out of all that BS and worry about building your credit. We talk about, in these black pro rooms, we talk about build nations and all. How are we gonna build a nation if we can't even get along long enough to get our business credit together collectively? Now, this is not an alienation to any of the white people on here. I don't have a problem with white people. But this is me talking directly to my black people. If Dean was a white dude, you'd just take everything he's saying at face value. Must be right, because, you know, must be right. But a brother comes up who's educated, successful, well-spoken, and willing to give it to you way under what it's worth. It's a scam. But 5 million of you ran to Trump's university and got scammed out of your life savings in your house. I'm confused. You need to be able to look at a situation and use the discernment to tell if something is BS or not. You can check stuff online and tell what's real and what isn't. So if you tell, I just want a refund, I'm just gonna back out, who are you shooting in the foot? Who are you shooting in the foot? You. Dean already has business credit. And thanks to Dean, so do I. Oh God, yo, you better know I'm gonna go and put on the stuff that he told me to do. I got my tb@truckerbrown.com email, because if you got a Gmail, they gonna kick you right out the underwriting process. I got the website, I got the corporate phone, I got the freaking the online office space, so they don't look at a residential space and kick me out of it. I got all these things, and 100% of the stuff that I got done, I did not know before he opened his mouth. And I'm so cheap, pathetic, that I couldn't give him $50 for telling me. I turn right around and pay $600 a month for a Chrysler 300. And all that does is get me back and forth to work. This is the problem with not only America, but with the black community. I applaud Dean. That's my man's. I think that Sometimes it look like he wear makeup because his stuff be edged up too tight, but that's a whole nother situation. I still love the dude, and I applaud him and I back him 100%. And my $50 gonna be in there, and I'm gonna learn this business credit, because that's what's needed in the blue collar community. Not even talking about the black community, the blue collar community. We get hosed because we get to a certain point and we can't get past all of the inner workings of stuff, and someone's gonna give that to you for $50. And to the people that started it, shame on you. Shame. But it's glad that you showed your face now, that we know who you are, and we gonna keep on moving and get everything corporate up. Because I'm gonna be honest, I want a couple Ferraris. You better know it. I'm not in here BSing. So peace, love, hair grease. I'm Trucker Brown from YouTube. I speak my mind, and I wanted to come in here and say how I felt about Dean. I back him 100%. Period. You don't like the winner circle, there's a huge loser circle over there you can go to. Everybody be happy, don't be a problem. You can friend request me. I don't bite. But I'm gonna tell you the truth. The only reason why I ain't went off in here, because it's just Dean's situation, and I don't want to be acting myself up in here. It's professional, so this is me being professional right now. I didn't pull the dreads out and swing them and all that, you know what I'm saying? I just kept it straight. So Dean, stay up doing what you're doing. You're a beacon in America and in the black community. I appreciate you for doing this service, young buck, and not charging us $300,000 to get information that the regime, corporate regime, doesn't want to tell us. Y'all get y'all stuff together, listen to this man, and get your stuff right. This is Trucker Brown from YouTube. Stay up.
Hi, I'm Melissa, and I own the Queen of Sheba Day Spa. I was asked to do a testimonial about my experience with E.DeanCole Financial, and I was glad to do so because I loved how professional and how personable my business consultant was. I had a lot of questions because I'd been turned down for loans at several banks, and after my banker at Chase referred me to them. I was a bit skeptical, but they answered all of my questions and they got me several approvals to choose from and had my funds wired to me within 1 week of my application. I've already referred 3 of my friends to them. I'd recommend doing business with them. Tell them Melissa sent you.
Yo, what's up? What's going on, everybody? It's Chris right here. Hope y'all doing well out there. All right, so I wanted to do this quick testimonial for E.DeanCole Financial. You know, I'm not even big on these type videos, but I feel like they helped me to a point where I feel like I want to help somebody else, you know. So even if I could get one person to sort of take action on what I did and the success I found, then, you know, all will be well, man. So a few months back, I got my CDL, and I've been telling my girl I wanted to go to pretty much, you know, go into business for myself, because I never felt right working for someone else, you know, being under their terms, driving for someone else. It's just something I've never been interested in, you know. I've always had that entrepreneurial state of mind. So it's funny because she saw this post on Facebook and about, I think it was the business credit boot camp, right? And she tagged me in it. She always tagging me and stuff. So, but this time she tagged me in the right thing. You know, it's usually like cat videos and crazy mess. But anyway, so she tagged me in it, and, you know, I looked up on it, started getting excited, and, you know, I went. I decided to attend, and I must say, yo, the speaker was on point. Like, had me glued. Like, I was locked in, man. And it's crazy because they were sort of putting everything together and putting everything into perspective for me, and, you know, in a way that I never quite thought of. So I signed up for the coaching, the executive coaching plan. I signed up for that because I knew that I was in a position in which I couldn't do it myself, right? So I signed up for the plan or whatever, and they I got a discount actually because I attended the boot camp. So I was like, okay, cool, can't beat that, right? So anyway, long story short, around 7 months later, it was about 7 months ago, I got 2 trucks on the road, man, and 2 business credit cards, and the limit is like over $20,000 each, you know. So I'm not going to front, man. Life is good. Business is good right now. And that was just 7 months ago, man. So just think about how fast you can really make things happen if you really take charge and you really take that opportunity to do what's best for you. And in my case, it was with these guys, with E.DeanCole Financial. And if I pretty much stay the way things are going, I'll be able to have my 3rd truck on the road by the end of the year, which is crazy. 3 trucks, and it is mine. It's bugged out, man. I never thought I'd be in this position, man. So, if you guys really want to really take your career into your own hands, you don't want to drive for anyone else and stuff like that, and you really want to make things happen on your own terms, definitely check these guys out, man. Like, probably the best decision I've made, besides getting with my girl, obviously. But yeah, man, you guys, y'all take advantage of this, man. I kid you not, it's something to be your own boss, but it's better to have someone to help you get there, man. And these guys helped me get there, and I know they can't for you. So definitely check them out.
Now, 404 Trucker, I actually like him. So even though he doesn't like me, I like him. The reason why I like him is because he teaches on entrepreneurship on his YouTube channel. Any man of color that's helping other men of color, I admire them. I am going to want to see them win. So unfortunately, he doesn't like me, but that's okay. He ain't got to like me as long as you respect me. And like I said, I think that he does a good balance of this. So you guys watch this and let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this. And listen, the only person stopping you from being successful is you. Go get them. Success is waiting for you.
You too. What's going on? Appreciate y'all watching my videos, man. Poor connection. This don't make no sense. Poor connection. E.DeanCole helps you get that trailer nice. He didn't help me directly. I am enrolled in his course. But yeah, I did take his class. So, like, I don't know him like that. He don't know me like that. He probably knows I got them videos, but I mean, we don't kick it like that. So, but yeah, I did take his class. It's a very valuable class, so it helps you understand about business development, business credit, personal credit. A lot of guys don't understand how credit works, and they think they do, but they don't. And I'm not trying to be bold or nothing. I'm just saying there's more to credit than a credit score. E.DeanCole don't charge no hundreds of dollars a month. No, he does not. That is a bold-faced lie. You don't know what the F you're talking about. I'm in E.DeanCole's program. It's $50 a month for 12 months. That's it. When I look at my credit, because I signed up with a credit card for his program, it's $50 a month for 12 months. Now he's charging a little bit more because he's more popular. I think it's $100 a month. But when I signed up for it, it's $50 a month. So for 12 months. So if you do the math, it's about $600 a month. That's priceless. The valuable information he's talking about, priceless. Like you're going to make the money back, okay? You're going to make the money back tenfold. Because when you take the class, right, and you're going to learn all this stuff, he's going to teach you how to build a business website. He's going to teach you how to get your business address. He's going to teach you how to get your EIN. He's going to teach you how to build a presence, a real business presence for your business, and teach you how to separate your personal credit from your business credit. Because you can have business credit that's not even linked to your you can get business credit that's not linked. I don't know her. You can get business credit that's not linked to your personal credit. You got to set it up the proper way. And if you don't know how to set it up, you're going to have business credit that's linked to your personal credit. So anytime you go out there and start applying for credit, they're going to ask for a personal guarantee. You got to set it up to where when you apply for credit, they don't ask for a personal guarantee. It just goes through straight to the system. Okay? That's what you want. So when you go and apply for credit, you want to get approved. You want to get approved. You want to get instant approvals. You got to set your business up right. And a lot of you guys don't know how. And it's fine, but it's just like, a lot of guys don't like DeanCole. I don't like DeanCole. You know, I ain't trying to be in a relationship with him, but the man has got some valuable information. You know, like I don't follow DeanCole like that, but when it comes to business credit, the man knows what he's talking about. So I don't know what to tell you, because I'm bumping the guys. I offer DeanCole to them, and like they knocking him, like, oh, I don't like DeanCole because he this and that. Who cares? The man got me a trailer with no money down. Who cares? Who cares? Okay? You know, I've been able to apply for $150,000 in business lines of credit, man. Like, it's like, man, but you're gonna knock DeanCole, right? You know what I mean? Like, I'm not trying to advertise for DeanCole, but the truth is the truth. The truth is the truth. That's what it is. So I went through this. I'm in his program. I'm seeing success from it. So, you know, like I'm seeing success from it. You just do what the man tells you what to do. He used to work for the banks. You can consider DeanCole like the Robin Hood of the banking business. Okay? He used to work for the banks. Now he don't work for the banks no more. Now he knows all the tricks of the trade, and he's telling you. You can't get no better than that. No tricks. He's pulling back the curtain, showing y'all how credit really works. Okay? When you go down to a bank, he's telling you step by step what you need to say to a loan officer to get approved. Okay? You gotta follow him. He gives you like notes when you're doing through his lessons. He gives you notes on the lessons. You can print them out and read them. Okay? So if you're going down to a bank to get a loan, right? You know how to present yourself. He teaches you how to present yourself in a business. He teaches you how to present yourself in a professional manner. He teaches you how to set up your business presence. So that way, when you apply for some credit, you don't get any kickbacks from the system. You don't get any, you know. Let me go through and read some of these comments. Okay, I'm at $20 and $30 insurance for $100. You know, getting an authority is a very lucrative business, man. Get your authority, get it active, build it up to where it's got a good CSA score, and just start leasing on drivers. But see, the problem is, it's gonna be your insurance, because the insurance is gonna limit you to how many drivers you can hire on. So, yeah, man, get that authority. Yeah, man, DeanCole, man. Like, a lot of guys don't like DeanCole, but I mean, I ain't trying to get him. It's like, see, a lot of guys have personal anguish against another man. Like, it's a lot of guys that don't like me, right? And, you know, once you start to talk to them, the reasons why they don't like me, it has nothing to do with getting a truck or getting a trailer or building a business. It's all this other stupid stuff. Oh, I don't like him because he wears glasses. I don't like him because he doesn't pronounce his words properly. What the fuck that got to do with anything with getting a damn truck? So you're not going to get a truck because I wear glasses. Okay. I don't like DeanCole because he always smoking cigars and all this stupid stuff. That don't have nothing to do with getting a damn truck. Okay? The man is helping you. You pay him $600 for the year. The man going to help you to build your business properly so you can get funding to get in business, man. But you're not going to do that. You rather disagree with him because you don't like the way he talk. You don't like the way he dress. You don't like the way he smoking cigars in his video. He flossing his watches and all this dumb stuff. Like, you worry about all this dumb stuff, but the man is preaching knowledge and stuff. You pay him a little $600. You pay him a little $600. He gonna teach you how to build business. You pay him that $600 one time. You can take that on for the rest of your life and build 20,000 businesses and make billions of dollars, but you don't like DeanCole over some stupid stuff. It's just people just kill me, man. Like you worry about the wrong stuff. Like I don't like DeanCole like that, but the man know what he's talking about. I don't care. This live feed going on an hour and 30 minutes. I'm just trying to get through these questions. I mean, you name it, all these companies that went out of business, man, because of some stupid stuff, man. I'm in class too. Did you do your website? Yeah, I did do a website. I already had a website before I went over to DeanCole, but it's some things that he talked about in his seminars that I didn't do, like, SEO, signing up with different SEO engines and stuff like that, putting your business in 411. So when you Google my business, it comes up as a top search with the business address and my business name. It comes up as a top search. So if you put in J.H. Services LLC, it comes up like 2-3 pages of SEO. Like you can't deny that. There's no ambiguity. Like J.H. Services LLC shows up 2 pages. J.H. Services, it's like 2 pages. I'm the top search with my business name and address. I paid $450 for his class up front. Well worth it. Oh yeah. Alex Express, man, what you talking about, man? You saying Jeffrey Light has more valuable free information than DeanCole. I disagree with you. Now, I agree that each of those guys have valuable information, but you can't expect these guys to give away certain type of information for free when you got paid customers. You can't do that. DeanCole has a business practice. He's held to a certain level of responsibility. He can't just go around giving out this information for free. He has to charge, okay? Like he has to charge. That's like a doctor doing surgery for free. That is just, or accountant doing books for free, okay? He's liable for this information. He has to charge, okay? It's like a lot of you guys, man, y'all be just talking, don't understand. You just don't know what you're talking about. That's like us being truck drivers running freight for free. We got insurance. We got all this risk that we putting up. Damn right we better get paid for it, okay? Like a lot of people don't agree with us truck drivers making the amount of money we make. $2,000 to do what? It costs for my truck to sit here every day. It costs about $300 a day just to sit here, okay? I better be getting money for it. So it's just like people talk, like Jeffrey L. and DeanCole are on totally different, they're in different industries. You know what I mean? Like how can you compare Jeffrey L.? Both of those guys are great at what they do, okay? So Jeffrey L. is in trucking. DeanCole is banking and finance. It's different. You can't, you know what I mean? Like DeanCole would probably shit on Jeffrey L. when it comes to banking and finance and business credit. Jeffrey L. would probably shit on DeanCole when it comes to running the trucking business, okay? Working, being an owner-operator, okay? Like, you comparing apples to oranges, man. Like, what are you talking about? 7 years in trucking. All right, y'all, I gotta get off here in a little while. I gotta pick up my load in a little while.
Like Jesus.